Today I'm going to show you how to make peanut butter. You will need 400 grams of salted peanuts and 1 tablespoon of oil. I have used vegetable oil, which is a flavourless oil, or you can use peanut oil. And for this recipe you are going to require a food processor. To your food processor, add your peanuts. Then you want to blend them. It's going to take about 10 minutes in total, but you basically want to blend them until they start coming together as a paste. I would recommend stopping and stirring them occasionally. Not only will that help the motor of the food processor, but it'll help keep it nice and even as it's blending. Once your paste is really thick and really blended, then you just want to add your oil. I found a tablespoon of oil really loosened it up, that it was a nice spreadable consistency. If you want a slightly thicker paste, add a little bit less oil. If you want a slightly thinner paste, add a little bit more. It's all on your preference. I just found a tablespoon was kind of the ideal for what I liked. Then blend that up again just for another minute or so, just to combine it. Then simply pop into a clean jar, pop the lid on, and then if you pop it in the fridge, it should last up to 4 months. And there you have it. That's how you make peanut butter.